name's Sam, and I'm a pretty fun 12-year-old kid, which means that I'm perfect for any project where you need an actual kid. Did you know that some adults pretend to be a kid? I think that's a little weird when you got all these perfectly good real kids hanging around. Anyway, my dad's a professional voice actor, and we have a lot of fun working together on projects. I'd love to be a part of your project. Did you know that a penguin's unique coloring is called countershading? Looking from above, the penguin's black backs help them blend into the dark ocean. From underwater, their white belly blends against the sky and snow. Here at Skechers Shoe Lab, we take comfort seriously. Kids need the softest shoes so they can play their hardest. Skechers Memory Foam for kids. Kid tested, kid approved. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. You're watching PBS Kids.